the Shenandoah Caverns. We're in the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. And go in and check it out.
Let's check out this cave.
Okay, let's take this cave.
Alright, let's check it out. Cool. Oh, wow. Look at this.
That's my cave.
Is that
Oh
cool?
my goodness.
Look at that cave.
So cool. And look at that.
Here's the elevator. Let's peek. Right, it looks like a full elevator.
Whoa!
It says, please wait.
My first gated elevator.
Oh, it's a gated?
Yeah. It's my first gated elevator.
Oh my
You
goodness.
can see the cave through it. That's what we were hoping.
And I was hoping it was an old one. So cool.
This is my first gated elevator.
Oh my
My
goodness.
first gated elevator.
Oh, Drake's first gated elevator. Well, look at this.
So this is a lot of these.
Oh, Diesel saw a lot of these?
Yeah, this is a lot of these.
Drake, look at this
Oh
fish.
my goodness.
That's what it is.
Yeah, it's an old one. Let's look at it.
Old gate elevator.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like gated elevator.
You do? All right. Let's check out the restrooms while we wait. Come here this way. You were hoping for it? Here we are. Oh my goodness. It's got pretends. Okay. Go ahead. We did.
Yeah. Wait.
They're a little old.
Yeah, it's a
A
little,
little
bit
old. Crane
Clean
plumbing.
plumbing.
Go ahead.
Old crane.
That's an old crane.
Yeah. It's
Huh?
not an old standard.
Not an old standard.
Yeah.
Old crane.
That's a.
Oh, that is an American standard.
That's a old
Give it a flush.
standard, but look. Look.
Oh my goodness. It's a hard one. It's a good flush though. Still going. Oh my goodness, Drake. Flushing forever.
That was a very long flush.
It was very long.
Yeah, this is another. This one. This one's
That's a long flush too.
These are flushes.
Look. Alright, go check out the men's.
A little bit long. But down like a little. There's one more. We didn't get to
Oh, we didn't get to see that. You're right.
Oh,
Here, I'll take your coat.
well, this one's a color.
Oh, wow. 3 different types. 3 different types. Okay, check out the men's.
Who's here?
Who's here? I don't know. Get the door, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Look. Look at
Wow.
this elevator.
Hey, look at this. It's a parking meter. Time expired. Can you reach it?
Steve, I'm giving them to you.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah.
So cool.
And look. That's my first gator.
Yeah, where'd Dad go? All right, we gotta wait. All right, where's Dad? Still going.
Come on, Bugs. Drake,
Okay,
we got.
Drake, this way.
Wait till you see these in here.
We have 3 different types.
Yeah, there's 3 different types in here too. You're gonna like them, bud.
Yeah, I never saw a gated elevator.
You're very excited about the elevator. All right. Check out these old standards. Look at these old standard urinals.
Look.
Hold it down.
I thought
Pretty cool, huh?
I thought I never saw that. Oh, wait, bubbly.
It's pretty bubbly, huh?
Yeah, these are old standards.
It's pretty cool. Check out this one.
A gated elevator. I was hoping for a
You were
gated
hoping for a gated elevator.
Olivia, ticket
So
desk,
it was my first ride on a gated elevator.
Alright, well, we're gonna get to go on soon. It's an old crane. It's very small. And then look at this one.
Oh wow. Oh.
Old Kohler.
That was a little bit colorful. That's a little bit. You can hide that. Lock it.
Alright. Let's go.
Oh, manual control. Oh, manual control.
You see it?
See it? Oh, look, she pushes it. How cool is that?
Look, you can see the walls. Look. We're going down into a cave.
And then back up.
Yeah. Then we'll go back up. If you'll see if you like it.
I bought
You
the
might-
ticket.
You might like the cave. What's it say?
Westbrook Elevator Manufacturing
Hey, look at that.
Company. Oh, this is so cool.
It's a key.
Do you want me to open the door and see if he's okay with that?
Yeah.
Or?
Thank you.
Well,
That's a light gate.
look at that. Is that cool?
What do you think?
Yeah, then let's go back up.
But you don't want to do that tour? Because the tour starts at 2.
Yeah, I'm not going to do the tour because.
Because it's scary.
Yeah, because.
Do you want to
it
just
was
do a little
already
bit of the
down
tour?
there. No.
Okay, it's okay, hon.
Because.
Okay.
Oh, it's a gate. Wow. First.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my first manual control too.
It's your first manual controlled elevator?
Yeah, and it's my first gator though.
Oh, okay.
A little bit shaky like a Roblox though.
That's a little shaky, like a Roblox.
Yeah, like a Roblox though. Whoa, so gated.
So cool.
Whoa, that's pretty crazy. What has that handle?
It does.
It's pretty interesting.
Pretty interesting.
Cool. Gated though.
Oh, very cool. Say thank you.
Wow.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, little cool.
Let's see her.
It's a little cool. Oh, yeah. That's a cool elevator.
That's my first gated elevator.
Oh, yeah?
Drake, was that very exciting?
Yeah, that was my first ride on the gated elevator. That was my first ride on the gated elevator.
All right. Say
And
bye
what about
bye.
the controls?
And that was my first manual control too.
It was?
Oh.
Yeah, my first
And
manual.
can you say bye-bye? Drake?
Bye.
Bye. Okay.